Good morning. A little greeting here from my hammock in the finca. I started sleeping outside, even though I have a camper, but I like to hang in my hammock here, especially under a roof. So that's lovely. Today it's the 18th of March, and in 2 months, the 18th of May, it will be 1 year since I left Denmark. And it will be the day I crosses the Gibraltar Strait to Africa. Here in Finca, at the time, I am working on my own little project, building a little path, making some tiles from big rocks, and cementing it. That's nice. I like to have my own small projects going on. Today I'm losing my phone abonnement that allows me to call Danish numbers for free and in-country numbers here in Europe for free. So that makes communication a little bit harder, a lot harder actually. Of course I can still write emails and such, but yeah, as you know, it's often easier just to make a phone call and get it over with. Yesterday we had yoga in the morning, and we will have that again tomorrow. Thursday we have a meeting, a non-violent communication meeting, and that is some of the stuff that goes on here in the finca. Not that any of the people here are aggressing or are communicating in an aggressive way at all. So it's on a pretty high level, and it's really hippie, but it's fun, and it's some nice people. Yeah, I will suggest to anybody really to come and try this. 2 days ago, a Polish guy by name Adam, who has been here for quite some time, really nice guy, he left. I drove him to the airport, and he held a speech before he left, talking about the magic of the finca. I will play a little bit of that here.
Staying in the Finca La Sacristia will change your life. And you may not believe in the fairy tales or dragons, but if you are here in the Finca, you will somehow accept the presence of the magic, because there is a source of this energy here. Before I came here to the Finca, 99% of my days were planned, because I wanted to achieve success. I wanted to start a company and earn a lot of money. And finally, to achieve a freedom of choice. So I can be, I can do, I can buy whatever I want whenever I want. But during this stay, I realized that this way that's supposed to lead me to freedom is taking my freedom away. It's destroying the freedom I have. It's like putting chains on myself. So for 1 month of staying in the sunny southern Spain, I spent 70 euros, and only because I took a plane. And now I think to myself, on the one side, I spent 70 euros for a month of exploring the world, of meeting so great people, of new experiences, and collecting the life-lasting memories. This is one side. And on the other side, before I was living in Netherlands, I was spending like 700 and more per month for living more or less every day in the same. So when I take one hand and second hand, 70 years and long-lasting memories and 700 years boring life, I think to myself, I was cheating. Because I don't need to be part of the system that I wait 40 years to start traveling and exploring. Because I don't really need money for this.